Hi, this is Pitambaran Achyutan Prishayadi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. I welcome you all to this session wherein we will be discussing the performance of the grid line trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I have been posting the videos regularly after the market hours, but I have done the consolidation of all the trades to experience what is the weekly target and profits that we are earning on a weekly basis. So you can see here, I have filtered all the stocks trades of Nifty from 12th September to 16th September. On 12th September, we had one trade which gave us a profit of 24 points or 1200 rupees. On 13th, there was one trade which gave us a profit of 58 rupees and 2900 rupees. 58 points and 2900 rupees. On 14th, we had one trade with a target of 150 points and a profit of 7,500. On 15th of September, we had two trades. One was stop loss and one was closed with 73 points profit, giving us a net profit of 23 points or 1150. And on 16th, there were four trades where three were closed in a stop loss and one was a target of 150 points. That is the reason on that day we got no profit, no loss, because we had three stop losses and one target. Now, if you summarize this in a small detailed value, you will get that in the week we had 9 trades, of which 4 went into stop loss and 3 were the targets. And the total points that we received was 255, or in amount it is 12,750 rupees. This is on a single lot of trading. So the margin utilized will be around 1,10,000 plus additional few amount for margin. So you can expect the total investment to be around 1,30,000. And if we consider 12,750 divided by 1,30,000, it is 10% per week, which is a very substantial amount. Now, in case of Bank Nifty, you can see on 12th September, there were three trades. Two entered into a stop loss and one was closed with 33 points, giving us a net loss of 67 rupees. On 13th September, there were no trades as both the grid lines were not touched by the market. On 14th September, 15th September and 16th September, the market was very volatile, and that is the reason we can see many stop losses being hit. Since Bank Nifty also has a stop loss of only 50 points, the chances of hitting stop loss is there when the market is more volatile. So here on 14 there were 4 stop losses and 2 targets, and one we got 170 points. So if you take into the whole, we are getting 670 points or 16,750 points on 14th. On 15th, we had 9 trades, but 8 trades were into stop losses and one got a target of 350 points. So you can see that overall we made a loss of 1250 on 15 September. On 16 September, we had 4 trades where 3 entered in a stop loss and one was a target of 350 points, giving us a result of 200 points net. So if you see the overall weekly trade in Bank Nifty, that is now 23 trades were taken in Bank Nifty, 17 ended in a stop loss, 4 we got a target, and the total points received was 753. So I have only considered the target wherever we closed at say 170 points or other values. I have not considered as a target. So that is the reason why we are getting number of trades less, because this is not tallying. This here one day we got 33 points and one day we got 170 points. So that 2 trades are not being considered for the target. Here we got 753 points and 23,825 rupees. So if you consider both Nifty and Bank Nifty, the total trades taken were 32, 21 ended in stop loss, 7 targets. The final points received was 1008 and the final amount was 36,575. In Bank Nifty, you would be requiring approximately 1.5 plus 25, 1,75,000. So if you consider 1,75,000 capital required and the profit was 23,000, so you can see that the return on that particular week was approximately 14%, 13.6761%. So it's a very decent return if you compare the number of trades and the volatile market condition that we had. If you consider this as 1,30,000 capital, then we can see that here the profit return is approximately 9.8%. So both the results have been very good comparatively. So we can see that when we go for this trade type of trades, there is the risk reward ratio is different, because we are in Bank Nifty, the risk reward ratio is 1:7, and in Nifty the risk reward ratio is 1:3. So you can see here you are getting a very good weekly return, and here also you are getting a very good weekly return. Last week also the return was very good. If I had posted in my group, I did not make a video of that, but I had made a I had posted it in this last week. The target was, we had received a profit of 43,300. So you can see last week the profit was 43,000 in case of Bank Nifty, and Nifty 7,700. So if you total those these, we are getting approximately 50k profit in the week from 5th September to 9th September, and we are getting a profit of approximately 36,575 in this week. I hope you will test these values. You can check in the charts these values and see for the confirm for your own confirmation and confidence. You can test with these values and you can see how many trades got executed. I have been posting these videos on a daily basis so that you can understand how to trade in this particular strategy. I hope you would like this video, and if you like the content of this video, I request you to kindly share it with your friends and relatives so they can also get benefit from this. I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and I am trying to help fellow traders with these simple strategies where we do not use any indicator, but we just use the grid lines for trading Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you for watching.